Hi friends, in the last session we have observed that changing case of a string and we learned that joining of strings. So we have learned two concepts. One is the joining of strings and changing case of a string. Okay, what is changing case of string means based on our required information we can change the content of a string by using these methods: upper, lower, swap case, title and capitalize. Okay, these five we can change the case of a string by using these methods. And we observed one more concept, joining of strings. Okay, whenever you have more strings in list or tuple, so every word we can join the string by using given separator. Okay, this is the syntax, and with respect to we have observed that two examples also, right? So now I'm going to explain today is to check type of characters present in the given string. Okay, to check type of characters present in the given string. Okay, so first observe Python contains following methods for this purpose. Okay, is alphanumeric. Okay, is alphanumeric means returns true if all characters are alphanumeric. That means A to Z, capital, small and 0 to numbers. Okay, returns true only it should be having these. Is alpha means only it having A to Z, small or capital. Is digit means only 0 to 9. Is lower means returns to all characters are in lower case. Upper means all are in upper case. Okay, title means returns to if string is in title case or not. Okay, is space means returns true if string contains only spaces or not. Okay, next. With respect to I have given some example also directly. So now observe here. First here I'm taking Sai Kumar 786. Okay, is alphanumeric or not? Yes, true. It is. I'm asking is alphanumeric. Okay, is alpha. Sorry, is alpha. Only characters are there or not? So no, false because digits also there. So here I'm giving only characters means now I'm asking whether it is is alpha or not. Yes, it is alpha. So I'm giving string and I'm asking whether it is digits or not. No. So after giving digit, I'm asking whether it is a digit or not. Yes. So next I'm giving ABC. Is it lowercase or not? Yes. Okay. I'm giving one uppercase, lowercase, and I'm asking is it lower or not? False. Okay. So here I'm giving string and characters. Okay. So lower. So is it lower or not? Yes. All are lower, but is there. So don't worry about that. It's going to return true. Next, I'm giving capital and I'm asking whether it is upper or not. Next, learning Python is easy. Is it a title or not? False. Because starting here capital is there, but here and here no capital. Here I'm taking all are capital in the starting case. Whether it is title case true or not? Yes, true. Space is there or not in the string? Yes. Okay. Don't think any doubt. So all are working one only. Now observe here, true false, true false, true true, false true. Okay, these we are going to get the output now. True false, true false, true true. Okay, true false, true false, true true. Next, false true, true false, true true, false true, false true, true false, true true. Clear, right? Just it is a small concept. Normally we don't use these type of things anywhere, but just keeping awareness, just I have written directly here. Okay, next concept is checking starting and ending part of the strings. Okay, checking 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 starting and starting and ending part of the strings. Checking starting and checking starting and ending part of the strings. Checking starting and ending part of the strings. So checking starting and part ending part of the strings means Python contains following two methods actually. Python contains following two methods. Okay, so in this strings concept, this is the recommended concept. Okay, these concept we will use in future every time. If you are Python developer means this concept you will use definitely, I'm sure 100% you will use. So wherever you will use also I will explain. Okay, so first thing is coming to syntax. Syntax syntax means s dot start with start starts with s dot starts with. Next s dot ends with. S dot starts with and s dot ends with. S dot starts with and s dot ends with. Here parameter is substring. Parameter is a substring. Now the next one. Okay, now the next one is what we have to give. First observe the normal example. Next I will explain another one. Okay, normal example. Example 1, I'm taking one one string. Okay, I'm taking one string. Learning Python is very easy. Next. So here what I'm doing is I'm asking s dot starts with. Okay, s dot starts with of s dot starts with of learning. S dot starts with of learning is I'm asking it is starts with. Okay, here it is ends with. Next I'm asking in the same way easy. So normally observe here, it is they are going to return a boolean value. Okay, they are going to return boolean value. So starts with means anyway learning is start case means it is going to return true. It is going to return true. It is going to return false. It is going to return true. Just this is a normal example. Okay, so clear, right? So and one more thing is not not above two methods are return type is a boolean value. Okay, they are not going to give any error if not starts with ends with means so if you are asking something wrong means it is started or not, ended or not, like that it is going to check, but it is not going to give any error. Okay, remember this point carefully. So the next example. So suppose whenever you are reading the directories. Okay, in the files concept anyway I will explain the directories concept, but as of now just remember. See, I'm taking in the list some names. I'm taking some names in the list sai.txt, comma, txt, comma, rajesh.txt, comma, dot csv sai dot csv. See here, normally I'm taking 5 strings. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here my requirement is I want to read all these files. Okay, just see when after reading your files from the directory, they will convert into a list. Okay, just here I want to say in the real time how we will use. Okay, after you are reading the files by using some method, it is converted into list. So here I want to filter the files. Okay, here I want to filter the files only .txt files. Okay, here I want to filter only .txt files. How to filter the .txt files? Okay, observe here what I am doing for 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 file file in s. Okay, for file in s, here what I am doing, if a file dot ends with, okay, if a file dot ends with, what is our intention, dot txt. Okay, if the file, okay, if the file dot ends with the dot txt, okay, if the string ends with .txt, it is going to consider only those files. Okay, so here what I am doing, reading operation for file. See, just here it is a example. Don't think that how where you are reading. Just I want to say the intention starts with ends with where we will use means. This is one type of scenario in our project requirements. Okay, file dot ends with means first this string it's going to consider. So okay, in this string whether it is ends with .txt or not. Okay, it is dot ends with .txt, so it's going to consider wherever .txt files there in the txt, only those files it is going to consider. Now observe the output. In this case we are going to get, we are going to observe only these three things. One is first string, and this is the second string, and this is the third string. Now observe the output. If you observe here, we are reading only these three files. If you observe here, I am filtered only these .txt files. Okay, I have filtered only .txt files. Clear, right? So this is the in requirement where we will use starts with and ends with. Okay, in this way we can use starts with also, right? This is checking starting and ending part of the strings. Okay, so in the next session I'm going to explain about the formatting of a strings. Okay, in the next case I'm going to explain about the formatting of the strings. Okay, that concept is very helpful in our day-to-day coding life. Okay, thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you are watching for the channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.